Hi there. I've been doing Pilates with Jane for twice a week now for about 3 years, something like that. And I thoroughly enjoyed it. And there's been lots of benefits to it. So I just wanted to tell you that if you're thinking of doing Pilates, give it a go. The benefits are huge. My balance has improved while I've been doing it. I'm more flexible. I don't have anywhere near as many aches and pains as I used to have. And I thoroughly enjoy it and it makes me feel better. If you've never done it before, Jane's classes are really good because she will adapt the exercises to your capability. So if you're starting off, there'll be a certain way to do it, but then as you improve or you want to push yourself, she'll give you different forms of the exercise to do, but she never pushes you that far that you're out of your comfort zone. So she always takes great care of you. The Pilates, I think, is a good form of exercise. You know when you've done it, but it doesn't make it so that you can't walk or move for the next 2 or 3 days, which a lot of exercises do. So it is a good form of exercise, strengthens your core and just makes you much more stronger. So if you want to give it a go, then get in touch with Jane. Okay, thank you.